Hello everyone, if you're trying to play 5am and you keep getting this error code 127 could not locate the Rockstar Games Launcher process, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on the Rockstar Games Launcher easily. So first off, I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix this annoying problem. The first one is the easier one. So the first solution is you're going to have to reinstall the Rockstar Games Launcher. So just open up your start menu, right on here, add or remove. And now you're going to search for Rockstar Games on here. Here it is, Rockstar Games Launcher. Click onto these three dots, click uninstall, and here just click on continue. Do not tick any of these checkboxes. Once you click continue, it will uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher from your computer. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and download the Rockstar Games Launcher. So just open up your web browser and then search for Rockstar Games Launcher on here. Go into the Rockstar site, click download for Windows here, and then just download and install the Rockstar Games Launcher. Once you're done with that, now you're going to open up the Rockstar Games Launcher and you're going to log in with your account. And once you're done with the logging in process, now you'll have a play button on here and you're just going to click on to play and your game will work. But if for some reason it doesn't say play and it says install, then just click onto the settings button, scroll down, click scan now on scan PC for supported installs. And once it's done with that scanning, now close out the Rockstar Games Launcher and then you're going to open it up again. And once you open it up again, it will refresh your Rockstar Games Launcher and now you'll be able to play your game. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.